and how you can create local Revit file into a central file. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe first for all this type of content. So without wasting any time, let's start. We start from zero. Okay, how you can create Revit file to a central file. If file is already there, or if already working on the project and your file is already saved, then you can proceed from second step. Otherwise we are starting from first step. We are taking a simple template, architecture template, to make you understand. Okay, first you go to the file, save, give some name, central file, option, backup must be there. You should give some backup. You can provide here 20. Lots of advantage are there for this. Press OK, save it. After saving the file, go to the collaborate tab. You will see here collaborate tab. After going to collaborate tab, you will see some option like editing requests, synchronizing with central, reload, latest, relinquish all mines. All these options are not showing. All these options are inactive because this file is a local file. This is not a central file. Now we know how to make it central file. After going to collaborate tab, you will see there is a collaboration option. Click on it. You will see two options within your network in the cloud. Okay, within the network, collaborate on the local wide range. This model will be converted to central model. So now you will see, you will simply take it within the network and click OK. Now you will see all these options are active, but these two options are still not active. Okay, why? Because this file become the central file but is not saved as a central file. Now to save this file as a central file, go to the file, click on save. After clicking on save, it is showing that first time that project has been saved since work sharing was enabled. This project will further become the central folder. So you just click yes. It will take little bit of your time. Now you will see this relinquish all mines option is active. This synchronize is also active. Click on here, synchronize. After clicking OK, the file is created as a central file. Now click on the Okay. Now click on the relinquish all mine. Keep in mind while creating central file so that multiple user can work on the particular project. Okay, one thing you must keep in your mind: create file, synchronize file, and relinquish all mine file. This is how you can create file central file in Revit. Okay, thank you for watching the video.